Show bafethu. Yabona le video bafethu iyatrenda everywhere bafethu. Yakudala but iyatrenda everywhere. Yazenzani bafethu? Follow this page and like and share to other people, guys. Make sure guys ungene ku comment section yami uyaklicka ichannel ngiyipastile lapho or just share I comment yakho bafethu. Elabantu laba bayabhebha nakamnandi. Buka le video le. Uyababo? So labantu laba mfethu bayahlabana mfethu phansi kunabantu baphezulu bayabamshuta mfethu bayahlabana ndi kamnandi. So make sure guys you follow this page and like and share. You are always enjoy. Make sure guys uhambe wayoclicka le channel ngiyipaste ku comment section. Ilink yakho in comment section guys, and then go there and start watching so for free this video. You are going to watch this video today. Make sure you follow me. I love you all.